Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I wanted to remind you that to make Punkwood Flint and Steelable, all you need is a surface charring on that. So therefore what we're actually making is a no char tin char. You'll want to use some of the best Punkwood. Good Punkwood is lightweight for its size. When you squeeze in on it, it springs right back out. And the beauty of a good coal extender like Punkwood is that it easily ignites. It can just sit there and maintain that ember while it's slowly growing. And then when you get ready to ignite tinder, you can aerate it into an intense ember. So being able to make it flint and steelable is only going to make it a greater coal extender, a better fire starter. So let's go ahead and solder ignite it. I got my Wallet Fresnel lens. And I think I'll break it up a little bit. You're always going to put these ridges towards the sun. Now if this Punkwood is good and dry like I think it is, that ember will maintain itself and just grow and grow. Now since it's not wanting to burn, I'm just going to pile them all up and let those embers transfer. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's going to be some really good charred Punkwood. Let's go ahead and try it out with flint and steel, and we'll be using chert instead of flint. I'll put half of this in each one of the tinder bundles. Try not to sweat into it. Always take plenty of time to find the best and sharpest edge to cast sparks. That one is ignited. And you can see how nicely they ignite. Alright y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. We'll try a couple of these. We'll catch you on the next one.